Hi guys, welcome to my mathematics tutorial. My name is Peter C. Double Jr., mathematics instructor at the University of Liberia. And in today's lecture, we're going to look at finding derivative of functions using the first principle of derivative, or we say the derivative formula, right? The definition. So f of x equals to 2x squared plus 3. So the first thing we need to know is that what is our f of x and what is our f of x plus h? Because it's like we'll just be replacing these expressions and use the idea we got from finding limits of function to simplify that limit to get the derivative. So we already know f of x is equals to 2x squared plus 3, which is this expression now. So we need to find what is f of x plus h. Now, if you look here, the position of x had been replaced with x plus h. So using this same problem that was given to you, 2, wheresoever you see x, replace it with x plus h. X plus h raised to the second power plus 3. Then you are done. Simplify now. So we have f prime of x. Let's put the expression in the formula first. The limit of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h as h is approaching 0. So we have f prime of x now equals the limit. So what is this expression? Is this 2 times x plus h raised to the second power plus 3. This is just f of x plus h, this expression. Minus, we want to write f of x now, which is this expression. Always put it in parentheses because of the negative sign. So you have 2x squared plus 3, all divided by h as h is approaching 0. So at this point now, we need to use our idea that we got from evaluating limits to solve this problem. So the first thing we can do is to expand this x plus h. X plus h. We can expand it, right? So f prime of x equals the limit 2. Now, this thing means x plus h times x plus h, right? Plus this 3 minus, now we multiply this negative by each term. Negative times this is negative 2x squared. Negative times positive 3 is negative 3. Divided by h as h is approaching 0. So we come on this side, we say f prime of x is equal to the limit. Now, x times x is x squared times this 2 is 2x squared. X times h is hx times 2 is 2hx. H times x is hx again times 2 is 2hx. And then h times h now is h squared times the 2 is 2h squared. Plus 3 minus 2x squared minus 3. All divided by h as h is approaching 0. So what do we do now is that we can cancel this expression. What else again? The first term, 2x squared, this one minus 2x squared can go out. Now, after you have expanded in this form, after you have expanded this expression in this form, notice that After all of your cancellation, all of the terms that will be left over will be terms with h. If there is a single term that is left out without h, it means you must check your expansion. Maybe you had a problem. So we have the limit 2hx plus 2hx is 4hx plus 2h squared. Now divided by h. So we can say divided by h, or we can express each of them over h. Is the same thing. H approaches 0. So this now, h will cancel this h. H will cancel 1 from here. So we're left with the limit of 4x plus 2h as h is approaching 0. So finally, we have f prime of x to just be equal to, now we can apply the limit because there is no denominator now to take this expression to an undefined statement, because had we applied h value right here, we would have gotten an undefined statement because 0 would be in the denominator. So we can now apply the limit. Applying the limit means replacing h with its value in the function. So we have 4x plus 2 times 0. So the derivative now is just equal to 4x. So the derivative of this function, f of x equals to 2x squared plus 3, is just equals to 4x. So this is what we call the slope of the tangent line. So on that particular curve, if you select any point on that curve, this particular curve, you select any point on that curve, what you're going to get, you put that point within this, right? It's going to give you the slope at that particular area. So see you next video. Thank you.